Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. A Black Belt Project Storyboard is really a way in which to create the story about your project to communicate what you've done and the results of it. Usually to your sponsorship of the project, the sponsors of the project, but it could be to the broader organization as well. A project storyboard checklist will lead you through the different phases of the project. Usually it follows the DMAIC approach within Six Sigma, so that you can look at each of the phases of that project, what you focused on, what you achieved, and the storyline within it. Each of those phases leads to a larger story and storyline about the project. So that's the power of a storyboard checklist. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.